Task number 6, bypassing control flow statements. This task is part of the JavaScript Essential Room inside Cybersecurity 101 module. Control flow in JavaScript refers to the order in which statements and code blocks are executed based on certain conditions. JavaScript provides several control flow structures such as if-else, switch statements to make decisions, and loops like for while and do while to repeat actions. Proper use of control flow ensures that program can handle various conditions effectively. Conditional statements in action. One of the most used conditional statements is the if-else statements, which allows you to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition evaluates to true or false. To test this practically, let's create a file. Here we see the HTML. Actually, let me show the split view screen because probably we have it already. H.html. John. Age verification. You are a minor. So here inside we have a verification that tells us if we are an adult or not. Actually, let's read this one because it's exactly the same. In the script tag, we put JavaScript. We have the variable age. We just checks for our age. In the conditional statement, we have if our age is greater than or equal with 18, then it says that we are an adult. If not, if this condition is not met, then on any other condition basically give me you are a minor. And this document element is basically here. You can see the paragraph with the ID of message. So this one is for minor, and if we place, for instance, 18, which is 18 greater than or equal, you are an adult, which again you can see over here in the condition. Bypassing login forms. We have the login. Let's see, login HTML. Enter your password, 1, 2, 3, 4. Authentication failed, incorrect user or password. Let's check the code. Script. Here we see the two variables will prompt us for user and then password. And we have again the condition. If the username is admin and the password complex password, then you are successfully authenticated. If not, for any other scenario, just give me incorrect username. Well, actually what you see over here. So admin and complex password. Admin complex password. And we get the successfully authenticated message. Answer the questions below. What is the message displayed if you enter the age less than 18? This is the text displayed. What is the password of the user admin? Complex password.